Looking for a compact and reliable home defense shotgun? In 2025, there are several ultra-compact shotguns that pack a punch without taking up too much space. These small but mighty firearms are perfect for tight quarters, offering effective stopping power while remaining maneuverable in close encounters. Whether you're looking for something lightweight for easy handling or a shotgun with impressive firepower in a compact package, the options available today combine cutting-edge design with practicality. Let's take a look at the 5 smallest home defense shotguns for 2025 that are sure to keep you prepared and protected in any situation. Mossberg 590 Shockwave. The Mossberg 590 Shockwave is a compact, pump-action firearm designed for home defense and personal protection. Its 14.375-inch barrel and overall length of 26.37 inches make it one of the smallest in its class, enhancing maneuverability in confined spaces. Weighing approximately 5.25 pounds, it offers a lightweight yet robust build. This firearm features a 12-gauge chamber with a 3-inch capacity, accommodating a variety of shells. The Raptor Bird's head grip provides a secure hold, while the bead front sight aids in quick target acquisition. The 590 Shockwave is equipped with a synthetic stock and forend, ensuring durability and resistance to the elements. Designed for versatility, the Mossberg 590 Shockwave is suitable for both home defense and recreational shooting. Its compact size and reliable performance make it a popular choice among firearm enthusiasts. Remington Model 870 TAC-14. The Remington Model 870 TAC-14 is a compact pump-action firearm designed for personal defense. With a 14-inch barrel and an overall length of 26.5 inches, it offers enhanced maneuverability in confined spaces. Weighing approximately 6.5 pounds, it balances portability with substantial build quality. Chambered for 12-gauge shells with a 3-inch capacity, the TAC-14 accommodates a variety of ammunition types. Its magazine tube holds 4 rounds, providing a total capacity of 5 rounds when including one in the chamber. The firearm features a synthetic stock and forend, contributing to its durability and resistance to the elements. The Raptor Bird's head grip ensures a secure hold, while the bead front sight facilitates quick target acquisition. Designed for versatility, the Remington 870 TAC-14 is suitable for both home defense and recreational shooting. Its compact size and reliable performance make it a popular choice among firearm enthusiasts. However, due to its lack of a stock, it may be less comfortable to shoot compared to traditional shotguns, and the absence of a stock can make recoil management more challenging. In summary, the Remington Model 870 TAC-14 offers a compact and powerful option for personal defense, combining the reliability of the 870 series with a design tailored for close-quarter situations. Serbu Super Shorty. The Serbu Super Shorty is a compact, stockless pump-action shotgun designed for personal defense and tactical applications. Measuring just 16.5 inches in overall length with a 6.5-inch barrel, it is among the shortest 12-gauge shotguns available. Weighing approximately 4 pounds, it offers a lightweight yet robust build. Chambered for 12-gauge shells, the Super Shorty accommodates both 2.75-inch and 3-inch cartridges. It features a 2-round magazine tube, providing a total capacity of 3 rounds when including one in the chamber. The firearm is based on the Mossberg Maverick 88, with options for Mossberg 500 and Remington 870 receivers. A spring-loaded, folding foregrip enhances control during operation. Due to its design, the Serbu Super Shorty is classified as an any other weapon under US law. This classification requires a $5 tax stamp and registration for civilian ownership transfers. Originally manufactured without a shoulder stock, it is considered a smooth-bore handgun, distinguishing it from short-barreled shotguns. In summary, the Serbu Super Shorty offers a highly compact and powerful option for personal defense, combining the reliability of a pump-action shotgun with a design tailored for close-quarters situations. Kel-Tec KSG. The Kel-Tec KSG is a compact pump-action shotgun renowned for its innovative bullpup design and dual magazine tubes, making it a formidable choice for home defense. Chambered in 12-gauge, it accommodates both 2.75-inch and 3-inch shells, offering versatility in ammunition selection. The KSG features a 18.5-inch barrel and an overall length of 26.1 inches, contributing to its maneuverability in confined spaces. Weighing approximately 6.9 pounds, it balances portability with substantial build quality. One of the KSG's standout features is its dual magazine tubes. each capable of holding 7 2.75-inch shells, providing a total capacity of 14 rounds. This design allows for quick selection between different types of ammunition, such as buckshot and slugs, by rotating the selector switch. The shotgun is equipped with a top-mounted Picatinny rail for optics and a bottom rail for accessories like vertical grips or flashlights. The polymer construction contributes to its lightweight design, though some users have noted that the plastic components feel less premium compared to other firearms. In summary, the Kel-Tec KSG offers a high-capacity, compact solution for home defense, combining innovative design with practical features. Its bullpup configuration and dual magazine system set it apart from traditional shotguns, providing users with flexibility and firepower in a compact package. Benelli M4 Entry. The Benelli M4 Entry is a semi-automatic shotgun engineered for tactical applications, including home defense. Its 14-inch barrel and overall length of 35.5 inches make it highly maneuverable in confined spaces. Weighing approximately 8 pounds, it offers a balanced feel during operation. Chambered for 12-gauge shells, the M4 Entry accommodates both 2.75-inch and 3-inch cartridges, providing versatility in ammunition selection. The fixed cylinder choke ensures consistent shot patterns, suitable for close-quarters engagements. Its 5-round magazine capacity is complemented by a Picatinny rail system, allowing for the attachment of optics and accessories. The shotgun features a pistol grip stock with a length of pull of 14.375 inches, enhancing control and comfort. A standout feature of the M4 Entry is its auto-regulating gas-operated system, which ensures reliable cycling across a wide range of ammunition types. This system contributes to the shotgun's reputation for dependability in various conditions. In summary, the Benelli M4 Entry combines compact design with advanced features, making it a formidable choice for home defense scenarios. Its reliability, adaptability, and ease of handling set it apart in the realm of tactical shotguns.